Angles and triangles part 2. Now in this chapter we're going to look at other properties of angles and triangles. Okay, now we explained before in the preceding chapters that when you have angles like this, that these opposite angles are always equal. This always equals to this. Okay, then this is also opposite to this. They are always equal. Now angles on a straight line, these two are on a straight line, this and this are on a straight line, and angles on a straight line will always equal 180 degrees. So let's call here x and here y. It means that x plus y equals 180. Okay, now we also have angles like this, corresponding angles, this and also this. So whatever you have here will always equal this. So if I have here as y, this side will always be equal to y. Here is same thing as x. Now why is that? Because these two lines are parallel. Okay, so whenever you have lines that are parallel, any line passing through the two, this angle here always equal to the one on the corresponding side, and this will always equal to this. Okay, same applies to this other side. Here will always equal this side. Okay, alright, so that's as simple as that. Now for a triangle, same thing applies to a triangle. This side is straight line. The sum of all the angles in a triangle, x, y, and here z, will always give you 180 degrees. Now if you have a line bisecting this angle and is also parallel to this, you can say since here is x, the angle formed there is also x. Okay, and since these two angles are opposite, this and this, that means they are equal. Okay, so here is also z, and that means that the two angles, follow this carefully, this big angle here will always equal, since there is x and z, always equal to the two opposite angles, which is this and this. So this external angle here equals to some of the two internal angles on the opposite side. Okay, I hope that's clear. That means you have a triangle, this angle equals this plus this. Okay, now with this formula in mind, you can solve so many questions, and some of them we've done them in the past. Now let's look at one example which says we have a straight line called PQ, and we have another line R. So if here is 72 and here is said to be 4x degrees, what is x? Angles on a straight line, so we have that 4x plus 72 equals 180. 4x equals 180 minus 72. 4x will give us 108, and therefore x equals 108 divided by 4, and that is x equals 2 into this 2 into this will give us 54. 2 into 54 will give us 27. So x equals 27 degrees. Okay, now I want to click on start quiz and answer all the questions following.